Hello, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and in today's video we are going to talk about Bitget and about Bitcoin, guys. So yeah, this video will be about this exchange, and it will be also about current market situation, kinda. We will mix some things together. Because I wanted to actually give you another video about Bitget, since you really enjoyed the last one, which I'm very happy about. And yeah, if you haven't watched the last video about Bitget, then you can go ahead and check it out, because I was talking more about copy trading and that this exchange is like your literal one-stop shop for all things crypto. So if you're not already familiar with it, then definitely go ahead and check the last video out, because it contains a lot of cool information that you guys will definitely enjoy. Before we start with this video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So first, some quick facts. First of all, guys, remember that Bitget offers proof of reserves that are much larger than other exchanges' proof of reserves. That's also what I touched on in the last videos. So what this means in a shortcut is the fact that they are way more secure than other exchanges, because they back all the funds of their users with their own funds on their own wallets, which are fully transparent. And now, probably with the Bitcoin being so high up, those wallets are worth even more, because they cover, you know, most of the exchanges cover 1-to-1 and Bitget covers 1 to 1.5, so they actually have 150% coverage. And the thing is that probably now it's even more due to the prices, simply. So that's lovely. And then you can also go ahead and check all of those out. There is a special page, proof of reserves, right here. I was looking for it, and you can check out how much they hodl. And as you guys can see, they have even 259%. So I was actually, you know, with Bitcoin it's absolutely crazy. Then USDT, they have 1-to-1 pretty much, which they don't really need more, because USDT doesn't really fluctuate. Then they have some Ethereum as well and some USDC, and as you can see, this is crazy reserve. But anyway, guys, now Bitcoin is really skyrocketing. This definitely has something to do with the elections in USA, the Donald J. Trump winning, obviously, which is a good message to all of us. I mean, well, I don't judge you by your political view, but I guess my viewers are intelligent and are happy with Trump's win. Anyway, guys, let's not get into politics. This channel is all peace and love and crypto. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive right into it. So yes, crypto is going up right now, and many people are actually speculating that it will go even higher. Like, a lot of people are speculating that Bitcoin can reach 100k even by the end of this year, which with those kind of, you know, this kind of movements in the market, this kind of grow, I mean, it can get 100k even like in 2-3 days, but obviously these are just speculations, you know. Crypto market is kind of all about speculations. But where Bitget does get into it, so, well, first of all, because of this beautiful market situation, if you guys decided to buy some BGB or some BWB, once I showed you this in the last video, then you are already in a nice profit, because as you guys can see, their tokens also went up pretty nicely. Same with their wallet token, so that's lovely, always great to see. And Bitget comes in if you want to buy your crypto, and if you want to copy trade, obviously. So when it comes to copy trading, I bet there is some crazy results right now with this market. Let's see. So yeah, we have futures, for example. I was also discussing this in my last video, but basically you can copy top master traders. So you can essentially 1-to-1 copy trades of traders that make profit, and then, well, you are getting the profit simply. And all you really pay in exchange is some fee that they take, which is fully transparent. You can always see what kind of fee each one of these traders have, and then decide whether you want to, you know, do it or not. But I mean, he's making you money, so it's obvious that he wants something in exchange. It's, you know, it is being taken from your profit, so it's not like it takes it directly from your wallet or something. It's just taken from your profit. So that is this profit share kind of division. So yeah, as I thought, some crazy results here, and this is just copy trading. Then you also have spot, which, damn man, look at this. So yeah, if you are copying any of these guys, then good for you, I guess. Unfortunately, I wasn't. But yeah, I do my own trades as well, so yeah, I'm not really public with those trades, because I don't feel like being competent enough to like share my trades. But yeah, this has been really good. There is some guy from YouTube, as I can see, Whale Go YouTube, I think. I don't know the guy personally, but I might check out his content after this video. I'm really pretty much interested. He has some good ROI, 900% ROI in 30 days. That's crazy. That's mad, you know. They also have bot. As you can see, the bots are also performing pretty well. So this is like on grids as well. So like whenever the crypto goes down, for example, it buys and then it sells when it's up, and so on and so on. It's kind of good if there is a lot of swing trading going on. I would say that's when it makes most profit. So yeah, I've been testing this quite and been really satisfied with the results, but obviously it all comes with a risk, you know. So Bitget, guys, Bitget is really user-friendly when it comes to buying your first crypto, because for example, as you can see, if you want to buy USDT, there is a 100% transaction fee rebate. So you can basically not pay any fees for buying this USDT, and that's pretty good. So this one, for example, is with credit card, and as you can see, you have there is a lot of currencies, so whatever country you are from, your currency is probably here. I don't even know some of these currencies, which might be stupid on my part, but yeah, there is some Saudi, as I can see. Yeah, I mean, you know, currency is a currency. Whatever you pay in, you have it right here most likely. So you have British pounds, for example, and then you can buy USDT, BTC, as you can see, which is, well, as it is here on fire. It's popular right now. There's some alts as well, some coins and some tokens. They even have some meme coins listed. So obviously you can go to your coin market cap and then you can do some analysis, decide what you want to jump in. You can go to memes section, for example, check out whether this particular coin is, for example, on Bitget, which I mean Dogecoin, for example. Is Dogecoin a good investment? I wouldn't really say so, but I mean, if you invested last 7 days, then you are big time chilling. But obviously, you know, it tends to do it like this when there is a huge bull market. People are buying even like meme coins, and the meme coins are really sometimes even outperforming like normal cryptos that have value. So yeah, if you are looking for some token that has value, then Bitget token also has a lot of value. I mean, it's backed by this big exchange, which is getting more and more popular, and they're, you know, doing a lot of events. Like, again, guys, I want you to watch my last video if you haven't. But yeah, like, Bitget is really getting popular, and in my opinion, they can really compete with Binance, for example, due to the fact that even their proof of reserves are higher than Binance's. So, you know, it kind of speaks already for itself. And you can see what happened to BNB, for example, which is essentially also a coin from an exchange. So definitely Bitget, they're also their wallet token. Remember, they have 2 tokens, so you can also kind of diversify if you want to get those tokens. So yeah, there is big potential here, I would say, especially considering what kind of market cap those tokens have. There is definitely big potential, but obviously, guys, as I always say, I will keep on saying this till I stop recording any videos, which won't happen really soon because I want to keep producing content. Guys, always do your own research, always do your own due diligence, okay? It is most important that you account yourself what you are jumping into. But yeah, I'm pretty sure, yeah, you can buy BGB here directly too. So this is one of the ways, right? It might not be the best one, but if you want to buy fast, then you can do it right here. There is some better ways, which in my opinion, better way is basically peer-to-peer, okay? So I don't know why I have PLNs here, but let's do USD. Oh, that's weird, actually. I don't know why this happened. Whatever. So let's do USD. And then, guys, as you can see, USDT has much better rates. And you can buy and sell here, okay? So if you also have your own crypto, then some of these users will be interested in buying this up. And they have different payment methods. As you can see, you have Zen, you have credit or bank transfer, you have Revolut. So whatever you are using, you can cash out your crypto here with other people, and basically Bitget acts as kind of like escrow, so there is no way that you get scammed here because they don't get their funds released. Like, you need to send the crypto, they need to send the money, you guys get like each other's, you know, things. So it's pretty safe. And as you can see, they even tell you how it works and all of that. So yeah, you can sell, and then you can also check out what kind of payment methods you are interested in. So let's say you, I don't know, you want some You want Wise, for example, right? And then you can see whoever is buying up with Wise. You check out the best rate, and then you can see what kind of limits those people have. Obviously, there is KYC applied to some transactions, especially if you exceed certain amounts. That's normal. You know, merchants and buyers or sellers, they need to complete those. That's, you know, the European Union standard, so can't really, you know, get around it, but it's absolutely normal. And then also, when you have those guys, you can go ahead and check out their completion rate, their rating and their comments and all of that, and then you can decide whether you want to use this particular buyer or exchange or whatever. So we have, for example, Hasbro's here. You just click on them, and then you can see what kind of trades they do, what kind of, you know, what they buy, what they sell, etc. And then you can see that they are verified. Obviously, they have the email bond, some stuff and some feedback, which you can also check out, see their positive and negative feedback. And then after that, you can decide whether you want to buy with this particular person or no. Why I'm showing you that? Because you can save even more on fees. So here you have rebate on the fees, but still there is the exchange rate, which might not be too favorable on some days, right? But here it is also fully transparent. You can see whoever is paying how much, and sometimes, as you can see, it's 1-to-1, for example. So let's say $1 is 1 USDT, which is the perfect value, or even, as you can see, 0.99. So that's cool. Then you also have your quick buy. Works pretty similar, as you can see. Let's say you wanna jump in with $100, then you can also get 100 USDT here. And they have wide range of different payment methods. As you can see, they have Visa, MasterCard, they have Google Pay, as you can see, bank transfer, and then you also have your cards, which are also 1-to-1 rate. Okay, so if you don't want to buy through P2P, then you can also buy here. It's also 1-to-1. Okay, so that's important. But sometimes, you know, for example, here it might not be so favorable, but I mean, you have so many freaking options to buy here that you will definitely find the one that suits you the most, and the one that is, you know, best for you in terms of like fees and in terms of like exchange, everything, all of that. They also have their card, which you can apply for. I talked more about the card in the last video, but it's also pretty cool because it will allow you to spend your crypto in everyday life, everyday shopping. If you want to buy some coffee, you want to go to some Starbucks or something, man, you can pay with crypto. Isn't that beautiful? It definitely is beautiful. So yeah, definitely consider checking that out as well if you'll be interested in that. And yeah, I think we'll be wrapping this video up right here, because I wanted to, well, give you like an overview, kind of some info about the exchange that you can buy your crypto here with very competitive rates and very competitive methods that are super fast, because some exchanges, they have those long processes to get through in order to buy your crypto. You know, sometimes it's so boring and so tiring, it requires a lot of hassle. But on Bitget, it's all simplified, it's all made easy for newbies, for people that are experienced with crypto, for traders, you know. So yeah, as I said in my last video, it's like your one-stop shop for all things crypto. So if you want to be a part of it, I will link it down below in the description of this video, guys. I wanted to thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you all the best profits in this freaking bull run, because it's crazy. So I hope all my community can get some gains here. I mean, you guys probably are already doing pretty great while watching this. So yeah, let's see. Let's hope that Bitcoin goes to 100k. You can give me some price predictions in the comments. Let's do a little game. You can predict what, in your opinion, will be the price of Bitcoin by the end of 2024. Yeah, let's see what you guys think about it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.